chickeness. Just for peace of mind, tama ba ako, FDA approved ka po siya?
Yes, definitely.
And like, we can research it and we can just do.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for that. So, right now kasi there are a lot of barley products in the market. How do you position yourself para maging preferred siya over the other products?
Hi, thank you for your question. So, dito, sa barley products, alam ko, flooded na siya sa market. That's why yung nilabas namin, for example, for best barley, is made from hydrolyzed biofermented barley. Mas madali siyang ma-digest ng ating tiyan. Kasi since hydrolyzed na, mas pinaliit yung particles, mas madali ang absorption, and mas mataas yung bioavailability. So, pinaposisyon natin ang sarili natin na pag tinake ng tao yung produkto, alam nila that they are taking it from farm to powder form na walang chemicals, nothing. Like really, no stevia, no artificial sweeteners, just really the pure goodness of barley. Na madaling inumin, hindi kailangan lagyan ng flavor para mainom ng maayos. So, inilalaban natin yung high quality barley. As of our information from our manufacturer, they did comparative analysis kung ano yung nai-exist na barley right now. And good news, based on the test that they did, lumalabas po tayo na number 1 ang ating best barley. And for our barley fusion naman, I know it's another barley drink. Itong another barley drink na to is not just another drink. This is the other drink na kailangan iniinom mo. Kasi hindi mo ito katulad ng ibang mga barley na iniiba-iba po yung flavor. I mean, ito po yung barley na may kasama siyang isa pang superfood. When we say kasi superfood, it's a macronutrient na kayang i-sustain ang katawan ng tao. And hindi lang siya isa, dalawa. So, yung katulad nga po ng sabi ko kanina, yung hindi po nagagawa ni barley masyado, yun ang ibinubuo ni fenugreek and vice versa. And I'm sure ang dami po nitong matutulungan ng mga buhay in terms of effectivity. And dito naglagay din tayo ng hydrolyzed glutathione and hydrolyzed collagen. Para kung ang magiging effect sa'yo ni barley fusion is mag-lose ka ng konting weight, at least you have enough collagen and gluta para maging firm yung skin mo, maging strong yung bones mo. So, itong pinaposition natin sa barley drinks natin, really full of nutrition, walang halong bola, hindi kailangan ng hype, hindi kailangan na dagdagan pa kung ano-ano. Kasi we are sure na itong drink na to, pag ininom mo, maganda po ang resulta.
Thank you. And yung last question ko is, kasi right now, the way to drive sales talaga, maybe I may be wrong. So, it's through like affiliate marketing, di ba? So, and if I understand it correctly, may ganun din kayo. So, paano naman kayo maiiba in terms of your other competitors with regards to this kind of marketing strategy?
Well, of course, no, because of the ongoing trend in terms of marketing, affiliate, and everything. Of course, we will give them competitive percentage every time, of course, they sell the products and everything. what we can promise is that sa dami ng challenges sa affiliate marketing ngayon, especially with the fulfillment, we will make it really efficient for our end customers para magkaroon sila ng satisfaction na dumadating ang products on time. And at the same time, because of the effort of the affiliate marketers, we will make sure that they also get paid on time. Kasi maraming mga challenges sa ganyan that yung culture namin dito sa Ascentra, gusto namin tumagos sa general market. Kahit na hindi ka network marketer ng Ascentra just by being an affiliate or just by being a promoter of these products and using your particular link towards selling the products, makukuha mo din ng maayos yung compensation na dapat para sa iyo. And that we can promise because we are able to deliver that to our distributors.
Hello, I'm Erickson from Chicago. My first question is, how does Ascendra improve the day it was started?
Paulit ng tanong, sorry.
How does Ascendra International improve the day it was started?
Ano lang, una, honestly, dapat nga ngayon, hindi pa talaga to ang starting namin. Kasi dapat parang binubuo pa lang siya, but because ng mga tao nasa likod ko, sila pa may kasalanan. Hindi pa lang ako tapos yung sasabihin. Kaya parang kung napabilis. And truly po, because sa mga founders ko rin po, na even ang dami namin dinaan ng mga humps, especially before sa including sa portal, nagkaroon kami ng problem, tapos sa mga products, but right now, lalong nagiging smooth na as time goes by. Kaya nga nakakatuwa kasi right now ito ng product launch na yun. And nakikita namin few months from now, lalo na mas magiging pulido lahat-lahat. Kasi ang layo na rin ang inumpisa namin sa nangyayari sa akin.
O nga po, bali 4 months pa lang po kayo. What do you think the secret na in just 4 months, dumami na yung mga members, ano yung parang reasons sa parang pag-unlad, gano'n, tama. Kaya pag-asenso.
Sa akin siguro we are not driven just by money alone. We are driven na gusto namin ng ma-redefine yung game ng network marketing industry. Ibig sabihin, we're not here just to compete para sa mga ibang networking company na nag-exist, but we are here na mag-dominate talaga. Kaya ang pinaka-edge namin, maliban sa nagkakaroon ng mga ganito na hindi lahat ng networking company may mga ganito, meron pa po kaming AI na yun ang pinaka magpapadali ng lahat kasi doon na talaga ang papunta ng lahat. Kaya we can say and very proud na kami lang ang networking company na already powered by AI.
Congratulations po.
Jeff from Kapamilya. Regarding lang po sa Omega Life, medyo na-introduce na din mo kanina. Ano po yung pinagkaiba niya compare sa ibang fish oil sa market?
Yeah, thank you for the question. In terms of the Omega Life, nabanggit ka CFO kanina, we're very proud of this kasi we are an exclusive distributor of this particular product here in the market right now. Now, one of the siguro 4 basic unique value proposition of Omega Life. Number 1, like what CFO said a while ago, it's full spectrum. When you say full spectrum, usually in the market, what you will see is Omega-3, Omega-6, and Omega-9. Those are the most common omega and fish oil supplements outside the market right now. Now, the good thing about Omega Life, it has 6 combinations of omega. That's why it's called full spectrum. It has Omega-3, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 11. And if you try to research, the most rarest omega is the Omega-7 and Omega-11. It's the most expensive and most rarest type of omega. It's very potent, highly potent kasi siya. Pangalawang value proposition is that it has astaxanthin. So it's not only an anti-inflammatory, but it's also an antioxidant. Because as we all know, astaxanthin is a very powerful antioxidant. In fact, it's the king of antioxidant. And then third is yung ating Opti-Gel delayed release formula. Most of the salmon oil outside, when you take them, kasi dati inom talaga ako, user ako ng salmon oil kasi may hereditary kami ng high blood, hypertension, no? So para to balance sa cholesterol level, nag-take talaga ako dyan. Usually pag take ka, yung gastric reflux, tapos pag tighay mo medyo malansa. No? So the good thing about Omega Life, because of the patented Optigel delayed release formula made by Catalent in Italy, it is actually having a delayed release. Sa pag-take mo, hindi siya natutunaw on the stomach, on the acid of the stomach, na nag-absorb siya sa small intestines natin. So, mas mabilis ang potency, ang absorption, mas maganda. Yun yung Optigel delayed release. And last, nabanggit ni CFO kanina, yung source. So, the raw material is actually coming from the fjords of Norway. So, yun yung mga fjords, yung mga inlet of waters where the water is cold, nutritious, doon nahango yung mga sashimi grade salmon na manufactured sa Italy and then delivered to us here in the Philippines as Omega Life. So, those are our value proposition, uniqueness of Omega Life compared to any other salmon. Okay.
First question, how did you end up with these three products po as parang launching product? May iba po ba ang option ng products? Bago kayo na-end up sa tatlong products?
Well, for one, no, since nung nagre-research kami ng barley, just to start with, ang nasa mindset namin nung una, the easiest way for us as a jumping point to the industry is barley. Because number one, barley is already well known, sabi nga ng iba, what sets us apart. But if we come up with the same barley as what's available in the market, edi parang wala na kaming unique value or unique selling proposition. So, we came up with the idea na, yun nga, nagpa-research kami, comparative analysis, because ang research namin, ang barley sa Philippines parang na siyang kape. Yung kape, kahit ano-anong mga brand, iniinom ng Pinoy, ganoon na siya ka-accepted. So yung barley, one, there is a real market for that. It's just a matter of coming up with a really unique, really something far ahead or sabihin na nating lamang sa mga existing. That's why we came up with the barley or best barley. Barley fusion naman, matagal nang ni-research ni CFO. May mga infused na iba't ibang mga active ingredients. And of course, ang gusto namin gawing flagship product talaga sa tatlong to, yung Omega Life. Because number one, there's a growing market in the Philippines, lalo na yung mga cardiovascular diseases. And people nowadays are looking for something that they can use naturally, yung hindi na synthetic. And because our provider, quality rin siya mag-produce, ang nakausap nating supplier is one that is really for quality. And kaya kami nag-come up sa 3 best products for now. And then we're coming up with another or 2 this coming December and January. Yeah.
Thank you, Kevin.
Hi, hello, good afternoon po. I'm Sandy from Random Republica. So, medyo fun lang po yung question ko. What is your personal favorite among the 3 products po na launch?
Favorite, personal favorite.
Ikaw, una.
Ako po Omega Life kasi ang haba ng tulog ko. Ang haba na siya, ang malalim. Kasi di ba may tulog ng pagkagising mo, parang pagod ka pa. Ito parang kasi parang nagpahinga ng ilang taon.
Ganun ka-qual.
Yan.
Yun, pares kami, Omega Life. Kasi salmon oil user talaga ako. Tsaka totoo yun yung tulog kasi nocturnal kami, panggabi kami. So, pero maganda doon, pag-take ka nito, talagang pagkagising mo, parang bago kang bagong baby, bagong panganak. Ayan, so, Omega Life, Omega Life.
Ako ganun din. Yung originality, no? Pero yun kasi yung totoo. Each and every time tinitake namin yun, nakakagulat na ang haba-haba ng sleep. Usually kasi putol-putol yung sleep ko. Magigising ako ng madaling araw or basta putol-putol siya. So each and every time I take Omega Life, I'm sure na mahaba yung sleep ko. Ang problema nga lang, late na rin
Sarap eh.
Alam na this. Omega, isa lang. Kasi, number one, not to, syempre, hindi naman dahil sa ayaw natin ito. Ang tanong naman ni Sweetheart is favorite.
Personal favorite.
Lahat naman favorite. Kaya lang, parang si Ces, 3 aso niya, pero favorite niya ito. Si Luna. So, kami personal favorite kasi, in terms of function, yung Omega Life, tamang-tama sa age ko. Kasi ako yung pinakabata sa kanilang lahat. Kasi yung health benefits niya, madami. Good for the heart, antioxidant, longevity, nakakabata, nakaka-regenerate ng cells and everything. So, multifunctional siya, and at the same time, yun nga, outright ang benefit niya pag ininom mo, ang bilis namin makatulog kasi kulang lagi kami sa tulog. So yun, tapos ang perfect sa kanya, habang iniinom siya, ang pantulak mo, either best barley or barley infusion. Ang tubig, ang tulak nyo, yung dalawang yan. Ha? Okay.
Nahabol talaga.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon, I'm Lucy. Question ko po is, are you also thinking of a celebrity endorser for Sendra or for your products po?
Meron kaming game plan differently. Although we know that tinapik niya ako tuloy, di ba? Ayaw niyang sabihin. Right now, because again, it's stages. At the rate that we are going right now, we want our distributors na sila muna yung maging influencers on their own. Na sila yung mag-endorse and everything. Although of course we know yung effectivity of getting endorsers, commercial endorsers, models and everything. Hawakan lang ni artistang ganito, lalo na yung nakaraan, siya pa yung nagtimpla. Ang laki ng effect. But more importantly, we want to empower our own distributors. Kasi yung mga distributors na nandito na ngayon, they, on their own, they can become influencers din sa sarili nilang market. That in itself, they become also endorsers. So gusto muna namin silang simulan ng ganun. And eventually, probably in the future, we can talk about endorsement from other celebrity or commercial models. Something like that. Yun lang.
Kind of circle of stars po. Tanong ko lang po yung pinaka-basic question ng isang consumer. Gaano po ka-safe yung mga products po ni Ascendra?
Yeah, in terms of safety, basically number one naman ang ating laging precursor dyan is the FDA approval. So definitely lahat naman ng products natin before we actually launch it, before we market it to the market, talagang lahat yung kompleto ng FDA approval, ng FDA administration, we have the CPRs, we have the LTO license to operate. So to make sure na lahat are tested, specifically syempre yung mga product like the Omega Life, talaga namang world class kasi coming from international siya. So in fact, it's medicinal grade nga sa ibang bansa, sa Italy. So yun yung mga bagay, it's all patented to make sure na safe and effective and potent sa lahat ng gagamit.
Yeah. Also, it is noteworthy to mention, just a few days ago, the officers of the Food and Drug Authority came to visit us as part of their routine inspection. And tinitignan nila kasi, syempre, just to make sure na meron talagang safety for the consumers. So meron tayong routine inspection, pumunta din yung FDA, and they are all satisfied and compliant tayo sa lahat ng mga requirements nila. And tinuruan pa nila tayo kung paano pa natin lalong safeguard yung mga compliance na kailangan namin gawin. And with that, we can say na talagang as far as we are concerned, after 4 months, wala tayong mga complaints. And in fact, meron na tayong testimony this coming October 26. Meron tayong product testimony ng Barley Fusion. Best Barley. Yan.
To add dun sa safety, lahat ng products, lahat ng actives na gamit namin is backed by research and scientific facts. And to add, itong Omega Life natin, meron siyang EU GMP or European Good Manufacturing Practice. Hindi lahat ng products na gawa sa Europe na bibigyan ng ganyang prestigious certification. And we are so happy na even before ni-launch ito ng Ascendra, meron na siyang EU GMP. And now, ginagawa ng ating manufacturer in partnership with them para mas lalong palawakin yung safety and mas lalong palawakin yung malaman kung ano yung pinaka-effect ng ating products. We are currently doing clinical studies. Ang maganda dito, isa sa clinical studies na ginagawa ng Omega Life is nag-pool yung manufacturer ng group ng may mga cancer. And so far as now, very favorable. Lahat ng results not promising. So we hope to put it out once everything is final para makita talaga how effective our products are.
Siguro po for the last question, gusto ko lang po malaman, di ba, since the all products is very promising, so how confident you are na sustain? Kasi sabihin natin na bigla ganun as in mag-lead po. Kung baga ngayon ba, gano'n nakadami? Kasi since sa international pa siya mag-ganun.
Ang ganda ng question, thank you for that question. Because the challenge for most companies like this, yung sustainability. Number one, for the record, no, because of the demand of our products, for the last few weeks, good news or bad news man tawagin, out of stock kami because of the demand. So, internally, that's not good for our distributors kasi naghahanap yung customers nila. And again, shipment coming from abroad and everything. The demand right now is really higher than our supply. So we're trying to stabilize that. In fact, kaya namin tiniming ang product launch just today or product activation just today kasi available na lahat ng products namin. Yeah? So ganun siya kalaki yung demand. In as far as marketing and sales is concerned, pag may demand naman, that means may satisfaction. And as provider, we just have to make sure that we can deliver. And that's why we demanded from our supplier to really give us the products on time, make sure that the quality from the beginning, kasi may mga ganung problema eh. So una lang quality yung product, pagka massive na yung na-produce, pumapangit na. So we make sure that, of course, kahit na gano'n nakalaki yung demand, yung MOQ tumataas and everything, we want to make sure that yung products talagang quality at ganun yung kanyang formula since the beginning.
Tapos sir, kapag yung affiliate marketing, so hindi lang po yung mga distributor sa kanila mabibili, parang ganun po. Yung affiliate marketing is direct po sa company or sa distributor? Just to confirm.
Well, yung model namin, meron kasing sa distributor para makuha nila yung full benefit ng compensation plan, especially with the discount or retail profit. They need to become a part of the Ascender program. And they become a part of the Ascender program by enrolling with our package. Now, doon naman sa affiliate, these are people na, of course, they don't need to actually enroll. But once they become affiliate with us, so-called affiliate marketing, they get certain discount, hindi yung buo. So meron lang silang discount na, for example, naging affiliate sila, out of, for example, 50% na full discount supposedly, we give them 20% without actually enrolling already. Pero sila yun. And then our distributors, meron din silang benefit where they can also look for affiliates. Tapos yung 50% nila, hati sila ng affiliate nila. And we have the infrastructure to do that kasi may mga link. May mga particular unique link kaming ibibigay sa distributors at may unique link din makukuha yung mga affiliate marketers. So may infrastructure tayo naman.
Pwede nyo po bang i-reveal yung SRP or right now, alam?
Yeah, given na, no? Ito, SRP, yung Omega Life 32,
for
150.
Yeah. Currently, the SRP for Omega Life is 3,200 pesos. So, the member's price for Ascenders is 1,600. So, meron siyang 50% na markup. Maganda-ganda yung markup niya. So, that markup actually can be divided both to the Ascender and the affiliate. So, yun yung sinasabi ng Sir Rachel. And for the best barley,
Best party natin, 900.
900 ang SRP.
And then 600.
And 600 ang ating members price. And then for Party Fusion, 1,150. Ayan. So, yun yung mga SRPs natin mga product.
Thank you po.
Okay? Thank you so much. Wala na po bang habol na tanong ating media partners? Okay na? Thank you po. Isang final photo op po with our founders. Kasama ang audience. Siyempre, tatanong